Hello and good evening, friends. Today we meet again for a session for 11th standard, which is based on composite functions. तो composite functions क्या है वो पहले देखेंगे. You know the meaning of function. Function is usually denoted by fx, like trigonometric function fx equal to sin x, fx equal to tan x. Logarithmic function fx equal to log x. Okay, exponential function. You can call it a gx also, g of x equal to e raised to x, 7 raised to x. Like this there are various types of functions. हमको मालूम है. तो अभी यहाँ पे दो फंक्शन लिए हैं. कंसिडर fx इक्वल टू sin x, gx इक्वल टू log x. अलग अलग फंक्शन है. एक ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन है, एक लॉगरिथमिक फंक्शन है. तो दोनों को कंबाइन जब करते हैं, कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ टू, उसको बोलते हैं composite function. When you combine two functions, okay? Now, how do you combine two functions? The composite combination of both functions are f of gx or g of fx. दोनों तरफ से combine कर सकते हैं. It will be clear when we solve this problem. Okay? So composite means function of gx or ulta g of fx. Right? Now, in both cases, we have combined f and g and f. Okay? So it is also denoted by f of gx का short form है fog, g of fx का short form है gof, right? So when you combine both functions together, we get a composite function. Simple सी बात है. अभी combine कैसे करना है वो देख रहे हैं. One important thing, f of gx is not f into gx. It is function of gx. Function of a function is called as composite function. Simple. Here also, function of a function is called as a composite function. दो तरह के composite होते हैं, f of gx और g of fx. Now let us study how to find f of gx first. Simple. We want to find out f of gx first. तो क्या देखो दोस्तों, just see the outer letter here. Outer letter is f. So because we have got f on the outer side, write fx first. Whatever is given to us. Because बाहर का letter f है, write fx first, that is sin x. This is a trick method of finding. So fx equal to sin x. f के सामने क्या चाहिए? gx. So we are going to replace x by gx. Why? Because we need gx in front of f. f के सामने gx आने के बाद ही f of gx मिलेगा ना. So replace x by gx on both sides. यहां पे gx डालो, यहां पे gx डालो, देखेंगे क्या मिलता है. f of gx, sin of gx. Clear? Answer मिल गया ना. The only thing to do is in the right hand side where you have got gx, substitute actual gx. Actual gx की वैल्यू कौन सी दी है अपने को? log x. Just put that value over here and this is our answer. दोस्तों, don't touch gx on the left hand side because we already have got f of gx. इसको क्या करना है बदल के? So keep this as it is. On the right hand side, replace gx by the actual function given to us. So we get sin of log x. Sin function of logarithmic function. It is called as composite function. Okay? Function of a function is called as a composite function. दोनों साथ में आते हैं. So final answer is f of gx. I told you the short form is fog. So fog is equal to sin of log x. Simple. Once you get the trick, it's very simple. Okay. So this is the answer for f of gx. वापस फास्ट देखेंगे. To find f of gx, outer letter is f. So write fx first. Whatever is given. हमको क्या चाहिए? f के सामने gx चाहिए. So replace x by gx. Simple. So यहाँ पे gx डालो, यहाँ पे gx डालो. Right hand side replace actual gx. कितना दिया है? log x. So sin of log x. Don't touch the gx on the left hand side because we already have got f of gx. So f of gx is equal to sin of log x. Simple सी बात है. So this is the first type of composite function, fog or f of gx. Clear? Second, we are shown over here. It can also be denoted by g of fx. अभी g of fx कैसे फाइंड करना सोचो. Composite of G and F, or you can say combination. If you want, you can say combination of G and F. So f of gx का काम हो गया अभी g of fx, also denoted by g o f. How to find g o f? बोलो. Outer letter is g. बाहर का letter either look at this or look at this. Outer letter is g. So write gx. Write gx first. G of x is log x. What do we want? G के सामने fx चाहिए, तो अभी क्या करेंगे? Replace x by fx. Simple. Both sides replace x by fx. यहां पे क्या किया था? यहां पे क्या किया था? Replace x by gx. Because we wanted f of gx. Now we want g of fx. G के सामने fx चाहिए. So replace x by fx on both sides, you get the answer. So g of fx is equal to log को टच नहीं करना है. Replace x by fx. So दोनों तरफ replace x by fx. First write gx, right? अभी लेफ्ट हैंड साइड को आंसर मिल गया ऑलरेडी. So g of fx is equal to log. What is the actual value of fx? यहां पे actual value डालनी है. What is the actual value? Given value sin x. So it is log of sin x. Clear? So g of left hand side को टच मत करो. We have got g of fx. So final answer is g of f. G of fx is also called as g of f is equal to log of sin x. That is the answer. Clear? So composite functions are of two types, f of gx and g of fx. When both individual functions are given, we combine them. Simple method of combining both the functions. Let us take one example from the textbook now. We'll solve it together. You can get your notebooks fast. साथ में solve करते हैं दोस्तों, चलो. Okay, let us take this one now. The question says find FOG and GOF. Okay, question number 12 from miscellaneous problem set. Third one. क्या दिया है देखेंगे. We are given fx equal to gx equal to Okay. Two types of composite function. First, we'll find out what is f of gx. Then we will find out what is g of fx. fx and gx are individual functions. Okay. Now, अभी यहाँ पे कैसे एक sin function है और एक log function है. One is about sin x and one is about log x. But in this case, both the functions are algebraic functions. It doesn't matter. You can combine them together also. So let us see now. f of gx और f o g. चलो बोलो क्या करना है. ये दोनों फंक्शन कंबाइन करने हैं. Which is the outer letter? F. Correct. F is the outer letter. So first write fx. Simple सी बात है. Given. 2 मिनट में हो जाएगा अभी. F के सामने क्या चाहिए? gx. So replace x by gx. Replace x by gx. Both sides. So f of gx. Right hand side, keep everything same except replace x by gx. So we संभाल के it will be g of x raised to the power of 4. Don't forget g of x replace करने के बाद raised to the power of 4. So f of gx short form fog. Right hand side अभी क्या करना है? Actual value of gx. What is the actual value of g of x? Second function. That you have to put only in the right hand side. X squared raised to 4. X squared raised to 4 by the laws of indices. Index raised to an index means 2 into 4 करते हैं हम लोग. That is x raised to 8. Don't do 2 raised to 4. When you get x raised to m raised to n, it is x raised to mn. We multiply. So your final answer is FOG. Simple है ना बात? Let us take FOG हो गए, f of gx हो गए. What is the second composite? G of fx. That is g of f. अभी g of fx फाइंड करना है. ओके. सो बोलो अभी सोचो क्या करोगे. बाहर का लेटर, outer letter is g. So because the outer letter is g, I am going to write gx first. Because the outer letter is g, I write gx first. Then what do we want? In front of g we want fx. g के सामने fx चाहिए. So g के सामने दोस्तों fx कैसे लाओगे? Replace x by fx. Replace x by fx. Both sides. Simple सी बात है. So g of fx. Right hand side. f x की जगह fx, लेकिन ऊपर to the power of 2 है. Don't forget that. Then what do we do? G of fx तो मिल गया, so either you can write g of fx or you can write g of f. But now comes the important part. On the right hand side, substitute the value of fx, given value of fx. What is the given value of fx? 256 x raised to 4. Just put that value over there. So g of fx will be इसको अभी 256 रेस टू 2 करना है and x raised to 4 raised to 2 can be written as 4 into 2. Now you can find out what is 256 into 256. Check करो. Four into 2 is x raised to 8. That is how you find g of fx. Right? So f of gx and g of fx are the two types of composite functions. Okay? There is one more similar sum in the textbook. We will just discuss it, you can solve it later. x स्क्वायर की जगह रूट एक्स दिया है, क्या करोगे? सेम थिंग, टू फाइंड एफ ऑफ जी एक्स, बाहर का लेटर एफ है, सो राइट एफ एक्स 256 x raised to 4. सेम वो लिखने के बाद व्हाट डू वी वांट? एफ ऑफ जी एक्स चाहिए, सो रिप्लेस x बाय जी एक्स ऑन बोथ साइड्स. तो यहां पे gx लिया, यहां पे gx लिया. अभी देखो क्या है, gx लेने के बाद देखो क्या आएगा. gx लेने के बाद ऑटोमेटिकली we get fog here and gx raised to 4. Now actual value of gx यहाँ पे substitute करो. What is the actual value of gx now? Root x. Just simplify. There are two ways of simplification. Root x you can write x raised to half raised to 4, or basic algebra अगर use किया, root x raised to 4 is root x into root x into root x into root x. So your final answer, root x into root x is x. Root x into root x और एक x है. So finally क्या मिल गया? $256 x squared is our answer. If gx was root x, fog will be 256 x squared. Now for the same problem, you can try what you get for GOF. Try it on your own for homework. Okay? So this lecture was to introduce the concept of composite functions. Hope you have followed it. सबको समझ में कुछ doubt है तो पूछो. You can ask me later on also. So this was about composite functions. We'll meet another time in about 2-3 days time with some other concepts for 11th standard. Okay? तो वापस practice करो. See the meaning and try to solve the problems. That will be all for today. Thank you.